Hello and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be looking into how you can add a comma to your data in Microsoft Excel. So what we have here is some dummy numbers. So what I'm going to do to add a comma at the end of these numbers is simply go to equals, then select my number, then I'm going to add an and sign, and then I'm going to put double quotes, a comma, and then double quotes again. And what this should now do is add a comma at the end of this number. So it's easy as that. I've now added that comma at the end of the number, and if I simply just click to flash fill, we can now see that all the different numbers have got a comma at the end of it. So yeah, this is very useful when you want to separate your data with something such as a comma or whatever it might be. Whether you want to add these numbers then into SQL Server to do a particular query, or whatever it might be. It's something that's highly useful and something that will save time if you are using it for something such as a SQL query and you need to separate your numbers with a comma. And yeah, something I'd highly recommend. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll catch you in the next one.